In today's tutorial, we are going to see how you can create kids animation stories like this.
And I'm Dog Daggy, and this is my baby who is called Puppy.
Hi friend, I'm Cat Callie, and this is my baby who is called Kitten.
With the help of Canva in 3 simple steps. So if you're ready, let's begin.
Step 1. Select a topic for the kids animation. For me, the topic is animals and their baby name. So I have given this particular prompt in the prompt box, which says give me the name of the baby animals of these animals. And just give the name of the animals which you want to create and go to this send message option. Immediately I got these 6 names of the animals, cubs or babies. Now let us go to the next step. Next step is creating the voiceover. Now here you will have to give the dialogue for each mother animals, and then from here you will have to choose the voiceover artist. So you can change the voiceover artist from here. These are all AI generated voice. You can click on this play button in order to listen to the sound and finally select it. Once you select sound, go to this generate speech option. Once you go to generate speech option, they will create the speech, and from the bottom right hand side corner, you will have to download the speech. Like this, you will have to download all these 6 speeches. Now let us go to part 3.
Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part.
In part 3, we are going to go to Google browser and go for Adobe Animation YouTube Free, this option. And go to this first option. Once you go to this first option, this website will open. This is the homepage where we can generate animated characters with lip sync. Here, first is you will have to choose the category. There are so many types of categories. You may choose anything. And if you select all, you will get all these options which you may use for creating your video. So for me, since it is animal and birds, we will be selecting animals from here. So from here, since I am talking about owl, I will be taking this owl's character. Select the character, make it big. Like so. Now, go to the size option. You will go for 9:16, but I will go for 60:9. This option. And make sure none of the part is getting cut. Okay. Now make it sit here this side. Now go to background. Here 2 options are there. Either you may choose a particular kind of background which you're looking for. If you find that, you may choose that. Let's suppose I'm choosing this night background. You may choose this sort of a background. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go to this custom color option and take a green screen only, and later you may get rid of this green color. Okay. Once it is done, for the time being, I'm going to take some other character. So here for the time being, I'm not taking this owl. Instead, I'm taking a dog. This one, okay? And then I will go to the size option and I will take this option. You may choose the size. Let me choose landscape only. Position it in the right hand side. Now go to background. Take a park background. Maybe this one would do. I will be taking this option. And then I will go to browse option and I will be taking the voiceover. Then open it. The voiceover which I have just generated, and automatically that will generate the lip sync animation here. See, in a while my video is ready. Now you can play.
Hi friend, I'm Dog Daggy, and this is my baby who is called Puppy.
Okay. If you like it, just download it from here. Like this, you will have to download each and every character's lip sync animation from here. Now let us move to the next step. In next step, we will go to canva.com. You may use free Canva. Here I am on the Canva homepage. From here, go to this video option and select the aspect ratio you're looking for. Since I'm doing widescreen ratio, so I will be going for this option. Now this will give me a clean template. I will go to this upload section and then go to upload files option and upload the file which you want to animate or want to use. So I am using this. Previously I made all these 2 clips as well. So I'll be using it and I will go open. Right click and set it as background. Now go to element section. If you want to give any filter, select this video, go to this edit video option. You may either choose a Reddit filter if you like Peony is a very colorful filter, you may use this. Otherwise, if you don't like any of these ready to use filter, you also have a further adjustment possibility. You can use that as well. Okay. Like so. Now, I will go to elements and I will look for dog or puppy. And enter. Go to graphics. You have so many puppies images, right? So you may choose any one of it. Whichever you like the most. Well, for me, I like this one the most. Okay. So I make it small. Now, I will have to animate this puppy. For that, I will select the puppy. I will go to animation option. I will go to this create an animation option. And then I will have to simply drag the puppy the way I want him to come close to her mother. Like so. And then this is my original movement. If I want a smoother movement, I will go to smooth option. Okay. Now, once this is done, you may also adjust the speed. If you want to increase or decrease, you may choose accordingly. I will keep it little slow. Okay. Once you like it, go to this done option. Now, if you don't like it, then go to custom option and you may delete the path and again you may do that. Well, I like it, so I will keep it in this way. Then, I will be going to take another element that is speech bubble. Now here, if you add another keyword which is 3D, then only 3D bubbles will come. Okay. Now go to this photos option and take a 3D bubble like this. Now make it small, bring it here. Now go to text option. Here you may either use this ready to use text. So let me take this one and ungrip it. Then make it little small and bring it on this speech bubble. Here I will write baby dog and I will change the font to more sugar option and I will increase it and make it a little small so that it accommodates in the speech bubble. Here I will give puppy. Okay, I will make it further small and bring it over here. Now I will change the color to red. Now select these, go to animate option and you may take any animation. For me, I am taking suction animation and for this puppy, I am taking shift animation. You may choose any other animation. Typewriter animation is also there. That is also looking good. Now for the background, I will be giving pause animation. And then if you want to give some further elements, go to this elements option. You may ask for any element, whatever you want. Let's suppose some nice grass. So give grass. You get these nice grasses. You just bring them here. Just duplicate them. Okay. See more option. Take this bird. Flip it horizontally. Make it small. Tilt it a little bit. Bring it here. And then again same way in the animation option, go to create animation option and bring this bird from this side and all the way out. Okay. And then make it smooth. Okay. Now Here you may also give, you can position, go to position and go to layers and make sure the bird is under this speech bubble. Again, same way you can give here cloud. And then if you go to this option and play it.
Hi friend, I'm Dog Daggy and this is my baby who is called Puppy.
Close it. Make sure all these three are positioned. Just select these two and go to position and bring them down to this speech bubble. Otherwise it will not look natural. Okay. Once this is done, then you need to add new page like this, and then go to upload section. Again, same way you'll have to take the lines. So what I will do, I will simply download this video in MP4 format, just the first one, and download it. Go to this option. I was creating this, so I have got two videos ready. Now I'll take a new page, the one which I have downloaded. I will go to upload section. I will simply open that. Okay. Now I will, if you want to give a transition, go to this transition option between two pages and give any other transition, whatever you want. You can also give slide transition, but I personally like this match and move transition. Okay. And here also you can give another transition. Let's suppose I take this out transition. These 3 slides. Now I will go to 4th slide. Same way I will create the next animal. Next animal is cat and fox. These two are left. Cat, fox and goat. So let us see if we find any cat's image. So for that I will go to this back option where I was creating the video. Now here I will go to character and see I have got 2 cats. So you may choose any of these cat images or videos. So well, let me take this one. Okay, this is also a cute cat. Okay, this is so cute. So I would like to take this background. Make sure you have the position on the left hand side, because the little kitten will come from this side. Same way you will have to just change it. Now I will have to go to replace audio. I'll have to go to browse. I will take this audio, open, and that way you will create a nice lip sync animation. Same way we will be taking the animation in Canva and creating a nice video out of it. Go to download button, MP4, select the MP4 format. Here all the pages will be selected, and here download the pages as separate files and download.
Hi little friends! Today let's learn the names of baby animals and birds.
Hi friend, I'm Dog Daggy and this is my baby who is called Puppy.
Hi friend, I'm Cat Callie, and this is my baby who is called Kitten.
Hi friend, I'm Rabbit Ruby and this is my baby who is called Bunny.
Hi friend, I'm Owl Ollie, and this is my baby who is called Owlet. Hi friend, I'm Fox Fixie, and this is my baby who is called Kit or Cub.
Hi friend, I'm Lion Lena and this is my baby who is called Cup.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.wagpaymedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.